Up for sale, 1976 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 76 Corvette, finished in factory colors, numbers matching 350, 4-speed, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, tilt and telescopic steering, and as always, go around it, tell everything I do know about it, put anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, you will start here in the front as always. Of course, orange flame is the original color of the car, and according to the trim tag, it's buckskin interior, which is a nice looking color actually. Big fan of the wheels on it with the white letter tires, the little beefier profile in the back, because the original 350 was rebuilt and it's got a lot more performance. So it's not, you know, whatever the low horsepower was from stock. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Now it's fun. It's quick, it's fun, and it drives super nice. And it's nicely optioned again, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and the tilt and telescopic is nice. You don't always see the telescopic on these cars. The buckskin interior. The seats are leather as well, which is nice. So another little option there. But I wanted to redo the beginning of this video just because I made a mistake going back and reviewing it. So now I'm just going to cut it back into where I left off before. Thank you. In the front here, now it's a really nice quality paint. It's just whoever did some touch-ups on it was blind, and they used just a pretty off color. The only thing I would say that I would do to the car is just touch it up with a more correct color, and then it'd be great. You see a couple ones here. You won't miss the touch-ups as I'm going around it. But the paint is super shiny. The body's nice on it. As I say that, of course, there is a little crack in the paint here. However, the body is pretty good. Another one there. Another one there. Was an L48 car. Another one there, and a little spider web right in the middle. Same spot on the 77 that I have. And I'm trying to think what else. It's got a nice stance. It looks really good with the tires. It's got MagnaFlow exhaust or Flowmaster, one of the two, which sounds just super nice. No cracks in the windows. The T-tops fit perfectly. Headlight doors, you know, of course, go up and down as they should. They all fit very nicely. So let me go ahead and pop the hood for you. It's believed to be the original interior, which I could say is possibly the case, because the seats, you know, have some wrinkling on it, but they still look very nice. You know, not driven that much, possibly. And again, here we are, 350. Just like the 77 that I have, I love to see the stainless shielding in there. So it's just always a nice touch. Edelbrock intake, and I would say it looks like a Quadrajet, actually. That's pretty cool. Stock exhaust manifolds, brake booster, master cylinder for the power 4-wheel disc brakes. See the vacuum canisters in there. Of course, power steering is down there. Trying to think if anything else jumps out of me. The control arms look pretty dang shiny, so it looks like the upper control arms were done not too long ago. I would say definitely the same for there, which is nice. Turnkey, smooth, sounds great. I'm going to fire it up now. Drove it home on the highway about an hour, you know, moving pretty dang fast. And it drives super nice, as well as the blue one that I have. Oh. Every car is different. course, starting on the driver's side. I've showed you that. I've showed you that. Another one here. Another one there. Door to the fender lines up nice. Rocker panel lines up nice. And I would say the door fits pretty flush there. It fits nice all the way down. Again, some more of those touch-ups. There, it lines up perfect. Fitment to the windshield is nice. Fitment in the center is nice. And again, no cracks in this window either. No cracks in that window. Probably original paint in here. The fact that the sticker is still here, as well as that. I think the term was Buckskin interior when I read the code, which I was just saying tan, but I guess politically correct Buckskin would be the one. Door panel's nice. Again, that's what I'm thinking, kind of original. You see some little, you know, cracks on it. The trim tag is in place over there. Four-speed. It's pretty cool. And tilt. Trying to think if anything else jumps out at me while I'm here. The only couple cracks in the dash that I see are in the speakers, which is kind of common. It's a little, you know, delicate as it ages. Not over there though. Looks nice. T-top inserts look very nice as well. Right there. Actually really nice down here. One little touch up there, but like nice. We'll show you the lower of the bumper first. I know there's a little mark here, and just like the other one, very common, couple little checks, a few more there. We'll go across. Back deck is really nice. Back deck is really nice here. Oh, I missed wiping something off here. Give me 1 second. There we go. I want to refocus my camera, just bear with me. Okay, very good. A few more of those touch-ups there. The door fitment's nice. Again, no crack in this window either. You see a couple little imperfections on the door panel there. But anyway, we'll be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both things will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 76 Corvette, 350, 4-speed. Nice fitment to the rocker molding here. Now the worst touch-up on this car is this about Doritos chip size touch-up, which again, if you got the right touch-up paint color, it'll just kind of blend in a way. So, thank you for watching. We're gonna get in it, drive it, and drive it around the block. Thank you.